banana split. Keys, and then some. Time to play some games. First up, it's Brew. How are you liking those spicy noodles? Maybe we should check your tongue. You won't miss those taste buds. Or this pepper. Or fire. Or hot sauce. Mustard, he is truly a wild man. You're feeling better? So how about a tip? Wow, is that a special Minion cup? I don't think that's ice cream. Wait, it's Tiny Gru, just like the one we need. Hold on, it is the Gru we need. Looks like the fish are biting back. We gotta save him. Oh no, a jellyfish. Be careful about those stingers, they sting. It looks like it's time for a little bubble power.
No.
Is it me or does he look like the thing? More importantly, he's just as tough. Either way, he's just what we're looking for. Ooh, a Minion ball pit. But those things are dirty. You could use a run in our washing machine. A rocket. Let's throw it in too. Okay, it's time to go for a spin. Uh-oh, it's that red sock all over again. Well, a rocket's gotta blast off, and away we go. Careful, make a U-turn around Saturn. You should make a pit stop here. This place was practically made for you. Hold on, there's something beneath the surface. A banana! Just what our flag needs. And look, another rocket. But don't worry, you're all the rocket we need. Seriously. With your powers combined, we've got a key. I can't believe they threw a party and didn't invite us. Don't worry, we know a Minion's one weakness. The one, the only, banana. Just watch. Didn't I tell you? Ooh, they've even brought you a gift. A box of Minions beats a barrel of monkeys any day. Uh-oh, they're stuck. Hey, it's a balloon. Now let's plop a marble inside. Next, tie a rubber band around it. Twist it up and start blowing. Now what can we turn a yellow balloon into? Like we even need to ask. It's a brand new Minion. And he's no ordinary Minion. He's a Mega Minion! What's his superpower? He's got a need to rock and roll. Now we should really clean up the floor. This device could use some wheels. Some googly eyes wouldn't hurt either. Now it's time to clear the roads. But now it's time to take out the trash. And now you can sit to your heart's content. Hey, buddy, what have you got there? You've got chocolate all over your face. Ugh, it's stuck. Don't worry, here's something that can help. A toothbrush. It pairs really well with some toothpaste. Come on down, Mr. Minion. It's time for your cleaning. So why don't you leave the chocolate with us? 2 minions jumping on the bed. One fell off. Uh-oh. How are you going to get back up? Well then, we'll just need to make you a little pick-me-up. Good thing we've stocked up on cardboard. Next, we're going to need to add some twine. We've got our own little pulley system. All we need now is something to pull. Did somebody call for a lift? Try it out. Finally, it seems like things are looking up. But nothing picks you up like a good friend. Hey, you lose your wallet? The minions got it. Wait a minute, weren't there coins in here? Okay, Minion, time to cough up the copper. I know. Grab some cardboard and draw another minion. Now this is a minion you can trust with some coins. Place one on top and let it go for a ride. Looks like all the minions want to try our new bank. Do we have to separate you two? Well, maybe a new device can sort things out. Yeah, work out your stress in a little arcade game. Today, folks, it's the race of the Minion Millennium. Only one can win. Never mind, it's a tie. Aw, these minions want to see the moon. I know, let's blow up a great big balloon. But it'll need some paper mache for that cratered look. Now ditch that balloon for some fairy lights. After all, what's a moon without moonbeams? Of course, we're gonna need to build a rocket. And just like that, we're ready for liftoff. Why not make a bunch and let them hang? The moon's a pretty popular place after all. These guys sure are energetic today. Oh, careful! Uh-oh, I think they're just getting started. What they need is a distraction. Sneakers? Don't be silly. What we need is the shoebox. Make a hole, and it's a new puppet theater. So everyone, take a seat. The show's about to start. We've got everyone's favorite, shadow puppets. Let's just say the marionettes were busy. Apple, apple, who'll get the apple? Why, it's Gru! Don't like the show? Well, we can whip up some new puppets. You just need to carve out some cardboard. Now place it on top of a box with some fairy lights. Come on, let's gather around the light show. Aw, looks like someone's getting sleepy. This time, let's build you a special bed. Just take some cardboard and make it into, well, a box. With a few special additions, it becomes a brand new TV. Antennae? Guess somebody's into vintage. Sit down, the show's about to start. Ooh, looks like Sleeping Beauty. Aw, these guys could use a new bed too. We could use all these sticks to make a bed base. Add a mattress and pillow, or it'll be too hard. And life's hard enough for a minion. So many eyes! I don't think he'd miss one. Or maybe a few dozen. Some minions just have one. Next, let's poke out an eye-shaped hole. Now place the cardboard on top of the rest. Make a bunch and match the holes to the eyes. Soon you'll be making a whole bunch of faces. Careful though, this game's contagious. This place is a mess. Someone could get hurt. Such a waste of perfectly good candies. This looks like a job for a cardboard turtle. Probably give him the paper. Besides, all we need is the cardboard. It can help us sort all of this candy. Just reach out whenever you need a snack. Now we need to clear up all this paper. It's all over the place. Huh? What's going on? Silly minion, you need to get organized. Why don't we take the roll, paint it green, and fix it up. Now it's a table that'll help keep things in order. These flowers sure are pretty. Unfortunately, they're also in the way. You got that vase insured, right? Right? Well, no use crying over spilled porcelain. Besides, cardboard is much sturdier. These holes will make nice new homes for these flowers. Just need one last flower to finish the bouquet. Aw, it's lovely. But is it minion-proof? Well, it's close enough.